Y'all see how slick that thing is? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanti, and today I'm going to be doing a slick back tutorial. So I'm just getting my water ready right now. My last video I didn't really talk because I hate when I'm watching YouTube videos and people are just talking and talking and talking, so I really don't want to be annoying. Anyway, so I just washed my hair. I didn't even put any conditioner on it, so I'm about to put some conditioner on it right now. This isn't leave-in conditioner, but I be leaving it on my hair and it doesn't do anything, so I be leaving all types of conditioner in my hair. I don't know if that's bad for your hair, but I do it all the time, so. First, I'm just finna detangle my hair. I'm finna put the conditioner in it, and then I'm finna detangle it. Okay. Slick backs used to be my favorite hairstyle, but like I realized in 10th grade that when I wore slick backs a lot, it really stretched out my front curls. And like I used to think it was heat damage, and my mom does hair and she told me that it wasn't heat damage. But I realized it was coming from me doing slick backs all the time, so I was stretching my curls a lot. So I try not to do slick backs as much as I used to. Like if I do it, I don't do it as often. So I don't typically do slick backs on wet hair, but I really needed to wash my hair because it was really dry and I needed to moisturize it. But I will make another video later on how I do slick backs when my hair is dry. So after like braid out, or after I do a braid out, or after I do a what is it called? A wash and go. Yeah. Okay. So now that my hair is detangled, I'm gonna add some RS olive oil smooth and hold pudding to my hair. And this is probably the only thing I'm gonna use other than Eco Styler because I really don't need heavy products for a slick back. So I'm just gonna run this through. Alright, so now that I got this throughout my hair, I'm gonna add some oil to my ends. And I'm gonna put some on my roots. Get my handy dandy Eco Styler. add that to my Alright, so this is the final look. I ended up changing the ponytail holder because I didn't like that it was white and it was showing because I don't really like to wrap my hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. You don't have to follow me on Snapchat because I don't be on there. But follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. And more videos on the way. So make sure you turn on the notification bell. Y'all see how slick that thing is? Period. The waves don't swim too.